In this video, I am going to tell you why you are not doing best in your business. Tips to enhance your performance in your business and to boost up your performance of your business or your company or your sales or marketing department. Okay, so let's start the video because I am Pranshu Agrawal, business coach, entrepreneur, and influencer marketing specialist. This video is going to be very important because many people are doing business, but they are not able to generate more profit because they don't understand the needs as well as the basics of the business. When you are doing anything, you have to understand the basics of that particular thing. Let's suppose you are studying. You first have to learn the alphabets, basic things about that subject or anything you are working on. After learning the basics, you can move to the advanced part. But before, you have to learn the basics. Same goes for business. There are some tips, some techniques you have to learn, implement in your business to boost up your performance. Because without working on basics, you can't be good in the business. You have to do a lot of things. You have to handle a lot of things. You have to work on a lot of basics. That's how you shift from basic to advanced. So let us start the video. First of all, you have to configure why you are doing the business. What is the purpose of your doing business? What is your ambition? When you started your business, what is the ambition for that business? First, are you want to build a huge brand or company like Apple or Samsung? Because it takes a lot of efforts to set up a brand. Brand is not just a simple company where you can sell out your product or services. It's your reputation. That's how people see to yourself. That's why the face value is so important. People enhances their face value so many people can know about them, and when the people know about you, they can start gaining trust about you, and that's how you can sell out your product or services. In the earlier videos, I told you the basic techniques, the advanced 5 techniques to boost up your performance. If you don't check out the video will be pop out in the I section. Just check out that video, but you have to configure why you started that business, like building a company, or you want to left a legacy, a huge fan following behind you by providing value, by helping other persons to enhance their performance in their life or to help to achieve their goals in their life. Okay, because a legacy is created when you help a lot of people to achieve their dreams or to discard their problems in their life. If you are not able to add value in their life, or if you are not able to help them in their problems, they don't gonna follow you. That's not how you can build out a legacy. It takes a lot of efforts, persistence. You have to be consistent about your work, like consistent about content flooding on the social media platforms, providing services or values or products that will help their life, help in their life or the problems from they are going on. Okay. Third one is, after building a brand, after lefting a legacy, are you going to make a lot of money? Let's suppose there are only 5 persons following you and you have a $10 product. How much money you can get from these 5 customers? $50, right? But if you have a legacy behind you, if you have 5,000 people behind you and you have a $10 product, how much money you can make from 5,000 customers? You can make $50,000. That's the difference between a legacy. There can be a bunch of people following you, but there will be a legacy following you. Always focus on building a legacy. That's how you can build out your brand or build out your company to make your business success. What do you mean by success in business? Does it means to building a legacy, building a brand, building a lot of money, or just enjoying the life? Because people think when they are doing the business, they can make a lot of profit. They can make a lot of profit, but they think they can live a rich life. That's not possible, because in the starting phase of the business, approximate 1 year, 2 year, or starting 5 years, people really get to benefit from the business if they are not implementing the right things, like the techniques I am providing you, the basics and advanced also. You just have to implement and you will see massive results in your business. But if you are not implementing and learning those things, how you can build out your business? Did you make any single bugs without learning anything? Definitely not. If you are selling ice cream also, you have that communication skills. So when you are working in business, three skills you must acquire in your business. First one is communication, second one is leadership, and third one is management skills. Because without managing the people, you can't grow a business. Without leading them to make them work for your business, that's not how your business uplift or boost its performance. And without communication skills, you can't stand in a business. Okay, always work on those skills. Third point is that, are you doing business to generate a lot of money, building a lot of money? Yes, you can, but before that you have to live on your means. What? Live on means, right? Because starting 1-2 years you are not getting any profit. You have to invest your money from your pocket to that business. You have to learn a lot. You have to make advertisement. You have to reach out more and more people. You have to build trust with other people. Let me give you a secret to build out trust to more and more people. And if you want to know the secret, what you have to do? Come closer, come closer. Just provide them free services or free products which can help them to sort out their problems, and they will do mouth advertising for free for you. That's, now you know the secret. Just implement it and you will get a massive results in your business. Because when you get a lot of attention from the peoples, attention is equals to money. Like earlier said, like in earlier video I said attention is equals to money. You can check out that video. Attention is equals to money, because when people start seeing you, watching you, and they start gaining trust on you, they will definitely buy your product or services. Okay, but it takes a lot of efforts. When you're uploading content on the social media platforms or any other websites, making, or like doing blogging and vlogging, okay? Blog, there's a difference between blog and vlog. Blog, in which you have to write a lot of material, and in vlog you just shoot out videos for particular information in particular niche. Like I'm giving you information about the business. Okay, second thing you have to understand, second point is that you have to understand for which customer you have to work. There are a lot of customers. In the starting you might be getting a problem to acquire more and more customers, but when you get a flow, when you learn that skill to acquire more customers and to work with them, okay, now that's the point. You have to understand for which customer you have to work and for not. Because when I started a business, at certain point of time I realized that this customer, I am not able to work with that customer, and thought someone will fire me from that business. Really, I thought that that someone will fire me from that business, because I really pissed off from that customer. You have to acquire those customers which will maintain the peace level of your mind. If you are not live peacefully by doing that business, because business is not the thing you can that every person can do. It's your passion, and passion takes time to build money and many things. Okay, third point is that, how can I get good hires? First of all, you have to understand that this thing is in your hand. You have the responsibility to which person you have to work, to which you have to not. Because when you are hiring people, you have to understand, does this person can able to boost up my business? Does this person acquire that skill, or I can train them for that skill so they can boost up in their department? Because in business there are a lot of departments: sales and marketing department, R&D department, product department, etc, etc, etc. You have to understand which person suits for which department. Okay, when you are hiring the people, you have to understand the mental level, because not every person gonna do a lot of efforts for your business. Because I already told you, the love you show to your business, not a single person can do the same thing for your business. Okay, so when you are hiring the people, you have to understand their needs. You have to love them, care for them. That's how your communication skills improve. And when you get able to set up a bonding with that person, or when you are able to set up a relationship with that person will feel connected with you. And if there is a downfall in your business, he or she will definitely support you. Okay, he or she will definitely support you, rather than he or she will seek for his or her salary. Okay, so always build out a relationship with them. And the main thing, When people get acquire that much skill and they have faith on themselves that they can do their work by alone, or they can do their work by skillfully by alone, and they have a lot of knowledge about that field, the many companies starts approaching that person, giving them more offers, giving them more salary, or giving them a good position in their company. In this phase, you have to understand the meaning of retention. Retention is that how you can make the people work for you for a longer period of time. When many people are approaching that person for their company or for their work, retention is the thing that makes the people stay in your company or in your job. You have to understand the meaning of retention, and retention only works when you have a relationship with them, or you have a bonding with them, when you care for them, when you love for them. Because everyone wants to be in a good situation in their life, like in a good position, having a good salary, having a nice house in a nice place. Okay, that's all the thing we human needs, that's a basic needs. But if you can set up a bonding with them, that's help them to get a retention, that's help them to stay in your business, and that's how retention works. Always work on retention and communication skills. Okay, when you are hiring the people, you have to understand there are a lot of competitors in your market. How you can say protect your employees from those competitors? You don't have to protect them. You have to love and care them for them. Okay. Third thing is that when you are promoting content on your social media platforms, or you are running ads, you have to understand the basic things. First of all, you have to put more and more content on the platform. Second thing that when you are starting putting content on the platforms, you don't have such a huge audience. You have to work for that audience. It takes up to a year or 2 years to gain a huge fan following. When you are starting a thing and you think that I am able to gain a lot of profit within a month, within a day, or within a week, that's not how the business works. Okay, you have to set a margin for up to 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and more than that. After that, you're gonna able to produce more and more profit in your business. But if you are thinking that you can make profit before that time, that's where you are getting wrong. I already told that in this video I'm going to tell you about the basics. These are the basics. And when there is no such huge audience on your platform, you can run ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, or on through Google. Because when you are running ads, more and more people start able to approaching you. I know you are spending the money, but you are getting those attention. And I already told you, attention is equals to money. So always focus to get more and more attention from the audience. Okay. When you start selling your product or service on a platform, or when you are starting to build a brand or build a company on the platforms, many people demotivate you, demoralizes you, or making bad comments for you, making judgment on you. But let's say you start making offense with that person, or start fighting with that person. Judgment can make you win in that argument, but that's not how your business works. When you are fighting with the customer, when you are arguing with the customer, you can win in the argument, but you're gonna lose in the sales. And without getting sales, you can't grow your business. So always focus on solving the problems rather than fighting with that customer. Okay, when you are working as an influencer, you have to push a lot of employees to get more and more results. Because let's say you are approaching 5 people in a day, and on the other side you are approaching 500 people in a day, where you get more and more results. Here, to shift your employee from that side to that side, you have to push them a lot, give them you have to give them some good options, like you can increase their salary, but you have to set a remarkable position for them, that if you're gonna do that work, I will gift you that thing. That's how the people work. People are so drowsy for the gifts and surprises, or for good salaries. So do that thing. When you are getting that much skills, you don't have a problem to give them that percent in their salary. Okay, apart from this, if you gonna make a sales or make a sales about a product or service, I can give you a free tip how you can boost up your business. So if you want to know a secret, you have to know what you have to do. Come closer, come closer. You can tell them why they don't have to buy a product or service. And when they know why they don't have to buy a product or service, they will definitely buy. Because people think that I have to trust, and that's a mental tendency that a person trust on you, then he or she will definitely buy your product or service. And when you tell them why not to buy a product, people like controversies. When you are giving them controversies, videos, etc., etc., they will definitely look at you, and when you get attention, you get money, right? So always focus on that tip, and that will massively boost up your business. When I started my business, I implemented that thing after 6 months, literally after 6 months, because I am learning that thing. But after implementing that, I got a lot of sales from that tip. Okay, so you learned a lot of things in that video, but these are nothing. These are nothing. I am providing you more and more value each day. You have to learn them, implement them, and everything gonna work. I learned a lot of things by making mistakes in my business, by learning mistakes from others, and I am providing you that information to you. If you're gonna implement them, you're gonna get so much results, but you have to implement them. These are the things which definitely works. So now what you have to do, subscribe my channel, tap on the bell icon, so you will get my video first. Because a lot of persons are watching my video, those are the persons who watch my video first and implement them, get massive results. But you are watching that video, if you are not able to watch that video, your other competitor will gonna massively boost up their performance. So always focus on your business, just learn, implement, and share that video to that person who needs to hear these basic tips